Hello there, welcome to my latest video. Today I've been looking at this coin called Smol or Smol Cat. I've just got this chart up here on Deck Screener. So what happened the other day, a couple of days ago, is this coin launched off of Pump Fun, and then it had a big rise up here, and it was also featured on a influential channel, one of the other people that follow cryptocurrency, and that also gave it some exposure. And now over the past 12 hours or so, we've seen it dip back down, and it seems to have maintained its price with a floor here, and it seems to have not dipped below this support line here. So that's good in the sense that it hasn't completely sold off, which a lot of these coins from Pump Fund do once they're launched. I've also had a look in the Telegram group and the Twitter, and there's a lot of activity. There's over 1,400 members in their Telegram group. Now, I've just seen here that it's actually a community takeover as well, so there's a team of people working on this coin at the moment. So if you were to want to buy this coin, what you would do is you'd need to use the decentralized exchange Raydium, because it's not yet on other centralized exchanges like Coinbase. So I've got Raydium loaded up here. What you'll want to do is then launch the app. Click up here to connect wallet. And you'll need a wallet such as MetaMask or Solana, the Solana wallet Phantom. I'm using Phantom in this case. You can see up here that I've already had it open and put my password in. So when you click here to connect the Phantom wallet, you're going to want to choose Phantom here, and it should then load up and say connected. Now what you need to do now is you need to go back into Deck Screener, check that you've got the right Smol or Smol Cat token, and then there's a little copy button here. You copy this token address, and then you go back over to Raydium. Now what you're going to want to do is transfer from Smol token and then swap for the Smol Cat token. So what I can click here, instead of Ray, now I'm going to paste in that address there, and it should look like this. This is just giving you a small warning saying please make sure this is the correct contract address, but that's what we've copied from here, from Deck Screener. It should load up in a second. And then what you can put up here is the amount of SOL, for example, that you want to exchange, and then it will show you how much the price is, how much that will then buy you. And then also here you can change this. Now if when you first click on here to swap, it doesn't go through, you can actually increase this. So what the slippage essentially means is the difference between the price it's showing up here and what you are going to end up paying for it. So it might mean that it's slightly more expensive by a certain percentage. If obviously 1% doesn't work, then you can then increase it to 2%, try swap. If it doesn't work, 3%, etc. And then it will also tell you the swap fee here. So yes, if you will want to buy this once you're happy, just click on there, and then it will say down on the bottom here, swap confirmed. So I hope you liked that video. Please ask any questions or comments in the comments section, and please like and subscribe on the channel to help me to make more videos such as this.